Good morning, afternoon, everyone. Today, I'll be sharing some valuable insights on choosing the right Forex broker, a crucial step for beginner traders like us to embark on a successful trading journey. Later on, I'll also provide a personal recommendation of a broker that I use and trust. You will find a registration link in the description below. I also noted that most of my viewers are non-subscribers. Just a request. Kindly subscribe in just 1 second. Are you done? If yes, then let's get started. 1. Regulation and reputation. The first tip is to ensure that the broker you choose is regulated by a reputable financial authority in their home country. Regulation helps protect us from fraud and ensures that the broker adheres to certain standards. Additionally, check online reviews and forums to gauge the broker's reputation among other traders. 2. User-friendly trading platform. As beginners, we need a trading platform that is user-friendly and intuitive. Many brokers offer demo accounts, so I encourage you to try out their platforms to see if you feel comfortable with their interface and features. 3. Diverse range of instruments. It's essential to check if the broker offers a wide range of currency pairs and other instruments we might be interested in trading, such as commodities or cryptocurrencies. Having access to various assets can provide us with more trading opportunities. 4. Leverage and margin. Leverage can amplify both gains and losses, so as beginners, it's prudent to start with lower leverage and gradually increase it as we gain more experience in the Forex market. 5. Transparent transaction costs. Look for brokers with transparent fee structures. Some brokers charge commissions, while others make money through wider spreads. Make sure to compare the total cost of trading for your preferred trading style. 6. Convenient deposits and withdrawals. Check the deposit and withdrawal methods offered by the broker. Ensure that they support secure and convenient payment options for your region. 7. Reliable customer support. Good customer service is crucial, especially for beginners who may have questions or face technical issues. Test the broker's customer support through email, live chat, or phone before opening an account. 8. Access to educational resources. Some brokers offer educational materials like webinars, tutorials, and market analysis. These resources can be valuable for beginners to learn more about Forex trading and improve their skills. 9. Account types. Choose a broker that offers account types suitable for your initial deposit and risk tolerance. Some brokers have different account tiers with varying benefits and features. 10. Regulated negative balance protection. Ensure the broker offers negative balance protection, which prevents you from owing the broker more than your initial deposit in case of extreme market volatility. 11. Speed and stability. A reliable trading infrastructure and fast execution speeds are crucial to avoid slippage during high market volatility. 12. Consider the broker's size and reputation. Generally, larger and well-established brokers are considered more stable and reliable than smaller ones. Research the broker's history and how long they have been in the business. In conclusion, taking our time to research thoroughly and test different brokers using demo accounts before committing real money is vital. Remember that Forex trading involves risks, and choosing the right broker significantly impacts our trading success and overall experience. Now, I'd like to share my personal recommendation for a trustworthy broker, Deriv Limited. Deriv Limited is a regulated broker, licensed by reputable financial authorities, including the Malta Financial Services Authority, MFSA, the Labuan Financial Services Authority, LFSA, the British Virgin Islands Financial Services Commission, BVIFSC, and the Vanuatu Financial Services Commission, VFSC. With over 20 years of experience in the industry, Deriv offers a proven track record. They provide access to a wide range of financial instruments, including Forex, stocks, indices, cryptocurrencies, options, and commodities. Deriv offers competitive spreads, starting as low as 0.1 pips for the Euro-USD pair. The broker offers a choice of trading platforms, including MT5, DTrader, DerivX, DerivEZ, DerivGeo, SmartTrader, DBot, and BinaryBot. You can start trading with a minimum deposit of just $5 and practice your strategies using their demo account. Deriv Limited also provides excellent 24/7 customer support in multiple languages, ensuring that assistance is readily available when needed. They offer educational resources, including market news, educational videos, and articles, to help traders enhance their knowledge and skills. Finally, it's crucial to mention that while Deriv Limited, Deriv.com, is a legitimate and regulated broker, there is another company named Deriv FX Limited that is suspected to be a clone or fake broker with no regulation. Hence, we must trade with the legitimate and regulated Deriv Limited to safeguard our funds and investments. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions or need further information, feel free to ask. Happy trading, everyone! Thank you so much for joining us on this exploration of how to choose a broker for trading. We hope you found this video informative and insightful. If you enjoyed the content and found value in it, we kindly request your support. Please take a moment to like this video, share it with others who might benefit from it, leave a comment to let us know your thoughts, and most importantly, subscribe to our YouTube channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest videos on various economic topics, ensuring you never miss out on valuable insights. Your support means the world to us, and it encourages us to continue creating high-quality content. Thank you once again, and we look forward to seeing you in our future videos.
You can watch the video showing on your screen right now to learn how you can create real-life mockups for your designs with Canva. See you there.